So I'm Usha. I'm from Bangalore. I'm here after a big recommendation from my friend Vanilla, and I've been waiting for almost 1.5 years to come here because I heard a lot about Commander Kennels and plus Philip sir in particular about his teaching method, and that's why I waited for so long and I did not go anywhere else because I knew positive reinforcement is what I wanted to learn. That's the reason I'm here. And I also should say that Shravan is the one who kept following up with me, giving me the information of when the courses are there. The effects of positive reinforcement in any behavior you want. Me had a limited understanding of it after the training with the chickens, after training with the dogs, for different whatever you want, whether it crate, be it looking at you, anything can be done. That behavior can be shaped or it can be captured through positive reinforcement. It's completely new to me and never had a clue that with chicken training, how quick they are, and even their small nod or small peck, it means something. For a long time, I was just, I couldn't even believe chicken can react like this. And when they actually were performing to what we were asking, it was again a very, something very totally different for me. So it's been an amazing experience, opening my mind to animal training. Yeah, like I mentioned, I've been waiting for 1.5 years. Why my friend was so particular to come here and learn, I can understand it now. He breaks it up every word, every letter of what he's teaching, and so you can grasp it. Every bit of it is breakdown and taught to you. He's like an amazing teacher to have if you want to learn anything about dog or dog training. Thanks a lot for Commander Kennels and especially to Philip sir.